Si Jessica Villarubin, si Ashley, tsaka si Chloe Redondo.
Okay.
Living through such trouble every child that reaches out with someone to hold for one moment, they become my own. How can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second of every minute of the soul is gone? And I believe that in my life I will see you again. And it's hopelessness, for giving up,
Back focus. Wow. Ay, grabe sila. Taryado.
Dynamics lang.
Oh. Ay, walang ganyan. Hala, parang La Diva.
Every day, that's how I know that things are gonna change.
Kulotera siya. Ano yun?
How can I pretend I don't know what's going on when every second, every minute of your soul is gone.
Galing. Ano naman yan?
Oh.
Ganda.
Ang ganda!
Gusto ko yung mga adlib nila.
Oo, talagang ang ganda. Yan na.
Oh,
Day, laban day. Kapwa.
galing. Galing.
Ang inis na.
I will see and into hopelessness of giving up, of suffering. If we all stand
Harmony.
Ah, ganda.
Loko. Duh. Ooh.
Ganda nun. Grabe. Tindig ba na ibo?
Ooh, grabe. Bigyan ng corona tong tatlong to. Ngayon na. Please lang.
Ganda.
Nakaka-excite no kung ipapublish ito ng Wish. For sure, in one day, maraming views ko kagad.
Yes. Sobrang linis.
Guys, please do support Filipino artists na talagang deserving, no? And may concert sila. Ang concert nila ay sa May 9. Ayun, tingnan natin yung details talaga para sure. Music Museum, guys. Tatlo sila dito. Born for This ang pangalan ng concert. And it says here, it's gonna be directed by Flo Reyes. Musical direction by Jem Florendo. Ayan. Ay, Ang ganda ng tickets nila, oh. Kayang-kaya lang to. Okay, so guys, kita-kits tayo doon, guys. And maraming salamat sa mga magsusupport. And maraming salamat din sa mga artists natin na kagaya nila, no? Sobrang gagaling talaga. Ang sarap sa tenga.
Totoo.
Thank you once again and see you next time.
Bye.